Nothing you gotta do is worry about where they come up over the top of the unscrambler and straighten the board out there, then they don't have to touch any more lumber. I gotta fix this beaver tail. Get up here. Whoa! We might have to end the live, folks. This thing is right back to yeah. I'm about to call maintenance, everybody. So I'm gonna end the live. I do apologize. Thanks everybody. We'll be back tomorrow. Hey, maintenance.
Yeah.
This thing's acting up. Head saw 2. I got it squared away. I think I can keep going, but I just wanted to let you know. But all right, everybody, I am gonna go. Appreciate it. I